Hello, gorgeous. This is Melanie, and I am here today with a new product that I've not tried yet, and it is called the Dr. C Tuna Peeling Salt. It's for hand and feet, and it's a sea salt with jojoba oil and sweet almond oil, so it's good for you. But I have gotten such dry hands, and I do every single winter, so I thought, why not make a video of this and let's just demonstrate this and see how well it works. So let's do it. Oh my gosh, it smells fresh. It smells really good. It smells really good. It's a soft scent, nothing strong, but it smells really fresh. So I'm gonna take a little bit of this and I'm gonna turn the water on warm. I'm trying not to turn it up too loud. Last time I had it so high, it was super loud. And then I'm gonna scrub my hands, and then I have some Calendula oil hand cream to put on afterward. There is a cream that goes with this peeling set for the feet, but because I've already opened this sample of hand cream and it is fabulous, I thought I would use this after I do my hands. Now, I am not doing my feet because I had a pedicure for the first time in about 6 months, about a week ago, and my feet are in pretty good shape right now. But this is supposed to be fabulous for the feet. I have seen before and afters and have been super impressed. So that is why I thought I would try this on my hands. I did do a before picture of my hands. You can see how they just look really, actually I've probably still got some of the Calendula lotion from last night on there, but you can see how they're just like wrinkly and dry. I've been diagnosed with psoriasis, which hasn't really affected me like it does some, but I can definitely see, you know, some telltale signs in my skin. So let's try this. I think this is getting a little bit warm. I'm gonna grab a spatula and use that to scoop this out because I wanna send samples of this or give samples of this to people who I do makeovers on. So I don't want to put my hands in it. So I'm gonna grab a spatula and I'll be right back. So let's just scoop a little bit out. That's probably too much for my hands especially. I'm just gonna use a little bit, and if I need more, I'll get more. And I'm gonna do this dry. Let's see what it says. It just says, apply a small amount onto the foot or hand, gently massage and rinse well in warm water. All right, this seems pretty simple. So let's do it. I'm sure this is like most salt and sea sugar scrubs. I'm actually gonna get a little bit more. And just massage it, which feels amazing. I don't want to stop massaging it, honestly. Okay, let's rinse it with warm water. My water's warm, it's not hot. Oh my, oh, that smells so good and it's super soft. Now, I don't think you're gonna be able to tell any difference until I actually dry my hands. So let me do that and I'll be right back and I'll show you the after. You guys, that is incredible. It is smooth as silk right now. And you notice I didn't massage long, like I really didn't do it very long. But you can see all the crepiness and the wrinkling is gone. The dryness is gone. I have not put the lotion on yet. Let me bring my hands down a little bit. That is incredible. I've yet to be anything but amazed with these products. I will put the price in the description because unfortunately I forgot to look that up before I came in here, and I apologize for that. Because I know that none of our products are super high priced, I'm not concerned with it being extremely expensive, but I will put that information in the description for you. And I definitely want to do an after picture because that is insane. Now I'm going to add a little bit of this hand cream. This doesn't take much. Actually, that's probably too much. And I'm going to rub that in. Oh my gosh, my hands feel like new. My hands are never soft. Like, I'm one of those people that's afraid to shake somebody's hand because my hands are so dry. Usually they're a lot more cracked than they are now, but I haven't been out as much lately. Although I've been washing my hands like crazy since we've been all threatened with this coronavirus or COVID-19. I'm really trying to be careful. So they're definitely going to be drying out more. But you guys, look, they're so moisturized. And that cream did not make my hands feel like sticky. I can feel it, but it's not sticky at all. It's just super nourishing. Okay, that's incredible. I will put the price for both items in the description along with the link for you to shop if you'd like. If you'd rather purchase directly through me, you're welcome to join the group and give me a message, and I will be happy to take care of that for you. I hope you're as impressed as I am right now. Like, I'm sitting here in awe. My hands feel like baby soft. I can't stop touching them. Okay, let me put my rings on, because I feel like your hands aren't finished till your rings are on. And that is the finished result. Wow. Okay, you guys, I hope you enjoyed this. I hope you are as impressed as I am with this product. And again, it's called the Peeling Salt, Hand and Foot Sea Salt by Dr. C. Tuna from FARMASI. And yeah, check it out. Make sure you subscribe, like, share on my channel, and hit the notification bell so you'll be notified of future videos, because I don't want you to miss a thing. Have a wonderful day. Thank you as always for watching, and see you soon.